वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल नीलूज क्लासरूम और कुछ नया सीखें। Antonyms means opposite words. Alone, together, able, unable, above, below, absent, present, accept, refuse, achieve, fail, admit, deny, against, for, agree, disagree, alive, dead, always, never, answer, question, arrive, leave, ascend, descend, ask, answer, attack, defend, awake, asleep, about, exactly, absence, presence, abundance, lack, accidental, intentional, active, lazy, add, subtract, adult, child, amateur, professional, amuse, bore, ancestor, descendant, angel, devil, animal, human, annoy, satisfy, antonyms, synonyms, apart, together, approximately, exactly, argue, agree, arrest, free, arrival, departure, artificial, natural, ascent, descent, attic, cellar, autumn, spring, awful, nice, anger, calm, anguish, comfort, anguish, joy, anguish, relief, anguish, solace, animate, death, annihilate, create, antagonist, friend, anterior, posterior, antipathy, sympathy, anxiety, peace, apathetic, apathetic, eager, apex, bottom, appealing, terrible, appear, disappear, applaud, admonish, applicable, inapplicable, approve, cancel, armed, unarmed, arrogance, humility, arrogant, humble, artful, candid, artificial, genuine, or natural, assemble, disperse, assist, beg, association, isolation, aesthetic, religious, audible, inaudible, auspicious, hopeless, autocrat, democrat, awareness, ignorance, back, front, backward, advanced, civilized, or progressive, bad, excellent, or good, balance, imbalance, ban, permit, bare, covered, barren, fertile, base, zenith, battle, peace, bearable, unbearable, beautiful, ugly, before, after, begin, end, big, little, behind, in front of, best, worst, birth, death, bitter, sweet, black, white, blunt, sharp, body, soul, boring, exciting, borrow, lend, bottom, top, boy, girl, brave, coward, break, fix, broad, narrow, brother, sister, build, destroy, busy, lazy, buy, sell, brief, long, above, beneath, bald, hairy, cold, hot, cool, warm, calm, excited, careful, careless, catch, miss, ceiling, floor, comedy, drama, complicated, simple, compliment, insult, connect, separate, compulsory, voluntary, consonant, vowel, constant, changeable, construction, destruction, continue, interrupt, correct, wrong. Courage, fear, cowardly, brave, create, destroy, cry, laugh, cheerful, sad, child, adult, clean, dirty, clever, stupid, crazy, sane, close, open, come, go, complete, incomplete, condemn, praise, conquer, fail, contract, expand, country, city, crooked, straight, cruel, kind, dark, light, difficult, easy, dry, wet, damage, repair, danger, security, dangerous, safe, darkness, brightness, daughter, son, day, night, dead, alive, death, birth, discomfort, comfort, dawn, sunset, downwards, upwards, dusk, dawn, deep, shallow, defeat, victory, defense, attack, delicious, awful, deny, admit, depart, arrive, departure, arrival, descent, ascent, desperate, hopeful, different, same, discourage, encourage, disgrace, honor, dwarf, giant, early, late, east, west, empty, full, entry, exist, even, odd, expensive, cheap, easy, hard, excited, bored, excel, inhale, export, import, exterior, interior, end, begin, ending, beginning, enemy, friend, enjoy, hate, equal, different, exclude, include, external, internal, evil, good, extinguish, ignite, fact, fiction, failure, success, false, true, far, near, fear, courage, female, male, few, many, final, first, fine, lose, finish, begin, finish, start, first, final, fix, break, flat, hilly, floor, ceiling, follow, lead, forbid, allow, foreign, native, form, destroy, fortune, bad luck, fresh, old, full, empty, fall, rise, fast, slow, fat, thin, few, many, forgive, blame, forward, backward, funny, sad, fancy, plain, fertile, barren, fiction, fact, first, last, giant, tiny, give, receive, graceful, clumsy, grin, frown, guilty, innocent, hungry, full, husband, wife, high, low, his or him, her, hit, miss, heavy, light, here, there, hard, soft, harmony, discord, harsh, mild, healthy, sick, harvest, plant, heaven, hell, host, guest, huge, tiny, human, animal, humane, cruel, humid, dry, hot, cold, inside, outside, ignore, notice, in, out, include, exclude, increase, decrease, innocent, guilty, idle, busy, illegal, lawful, imaginary, real, import, export, imprison, free, interesting, boring, jolly, serious, junior, senior, joy, grief, no, guess, kind, cruel, king, queen, leave, stay, left, right, lock, unlock, cloud, quiet, liquid, solid, lonely, crowded, long, short, loose, tight, loss, win, love, hate, low, high, lack, abundance, lady, gentleman, land, take off, large, small, life, death, light, dark, little, big, life, die, lovely, terrible, lower, raise, let, forbid, lazy, diligent, legal, illegal, like, dislike, lead, follow, laugh, cry, last, first, most, least, major, minor, man, woman, marvelous, terrible, mature, immature, maximum, minimum, miss, catch, mix, separate, moderate, extreme, moist, dry, moon, sun, more, less, many, few, male, female, mess, order, much, little, morning, evening, mercy, cruel. अगर ये वीडियो आपको पसंद आया हो तो प्लीज़ इसे लाइक करें, शेयर करें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें।